Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to get Robux with Microsoft Rewards. First of all, open up the Microsoft.com website. Once you get into its site, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then you have to sign in with your Microsoft account and click on Next. After that, it will ask you to enter the password for this account and tap to sign in. Now, you will receive a verification code in your email. Enter that code and click to sign in to your account. Then click on Next to update your team. After that, you have to add your details in here, such as enter your first name, last name, date of birth, year, and country or region. Once you add all the information, tap on Next. Then it will ask you to confirm your age. Click on Next to do so. After that, you will successfully get into your Microsoft account. Now from here, you will find so many different gig rewards for different games. You can choose any of the following as per your preferences. You will also find the Robux rewards from here. Just keep checking on rewards every day to win cool rewards every day. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.